Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you 5 lost civilization ever found. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. So our first one is the Khmer Empire. On the other side of the world, the Khmer Empire had spread across modern-day Cambodia. Angkor was the civilization's largest city with an extensive system of road and canal and an estimated population of as many as 1 million. The Khmer Empire was at the height between 1000 and 1200 CE, and experts are unsure what caused the civilization to disappear, leaving the city at the mercy of the relentless jungle. Theories range from war to environmental catastrophe. And the second one is the Indus civilization. The Indus civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization, was one of the largest in ancient history, extended over part of the India, Pakistan and Afghanistan and containing as many as 5 million people. At its height, the civilization boasted some of the world's most impressive architecture, among other achievements. It disappeared approximately 3000 years ago for reason unknown. One theory suggests that it fell victim to climate change that resulted in drought and famine. And the next one is the Easter Island, famous for the massive stone head that lined its coast. Easter Island was home to a thriving Polynesian civilization that first settled the island about 700 CE. Its residents were skilled navigators of the sea and demonstrated other advanced abilities. Some speculate that diminishing natural resource many have led to the civilization decline. Disease and other factors may also have played a role. And the next is Cataluyuk. Modern day South Central Turkey was once home to one of the world's oldest cities. Cataluyuk, it was part of an extensive civilization that flourished between 9000 and 7000 years ago and then suddenly disappeared. What made Cataluyuk unique was its hive-like structure. Houses were constructed next to each other and entered through holes in the roof, accessed via ladder and aerial walkways. Through the people are long gone, they left behind a wealth of items detailing their life and ritual. And the next one is the Mississippians. From about 700 CE until European contact and colonization, much of the American southeast and mid-continent was home to an agrarian civilization known as the Mississippians. One of their largest city, Cahokia, was located near modern-day Collinsville, Illinois, estimated at 6 square miles. Cahokia featured a massive central plaza, large earthen pyramid and wood structure similar in shape to Stonehenge that were used to track the stars. Some estimated the population of Cahokia at 40,000, with many living in villages outside the main city. As with other lost civilization, experts don't know with certainty what led to the gradual demise of the Mississippians. Popular theory suggests that the decline was the result of environmental degradation or of famine and disease resulting from poor sanitation. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us and tell what amazing civilization we found. We'll meet in the next video. For that, take care.